Today I want to teach you how to make these beautiful stitches when you're joining different parts of a bag. Use this here, these lines are the ones I want to show you how to join these. So I'm using a 4mm crochet hook, and this is what I'm doing. So we have this side and this side. So what we are going to be doing is interchanging from one side to another. So I put my hook in here, I pull through the yarn and pull it again, I slip stitch it again, I go into the second one on this side and I pull through it again in a slip stitch form. I go again to this side, I pull through it, so we are going this side again, and then this way, and this way again. So we are alternating from one side to another, and then let's see what we have. Hope you see how it is forming. Let's continue. So instead of just joining with single crochet, this is a better way of joining. It makes your work look beautiful and unique. So this is the last stitch we are taking here, and how we finish it, we chain one, and yeah, that's it with this. So I'm cutting my yarn here. After cutting it, let's see, hope you see it. Yeah, this is how it is. This here and then here. It's a unique and beautiful bag. Hope you see it. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is it. And it brings out a beautiful X in the middle here. Thank you. Be blessed.